We are gonna do partner stretching, but remember, what is the most important thing about partner stretching?
I know.
Well, yes, you wanna be quiet.
Make sure you're not pushing too hard on your partner and you don't injure them.
Yes, because you could injure your partner. Ding, 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 thank you. Yes, we don't wanna injure our partners, okay? So who's in charge is the person getting stretched. You are just adding a little bit of resistance. You're not like, BAM!
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
Good, and I'm gonna time us. We're gonna do 1.5 minutes each. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Now check out, remember you can, what part of our back are we pushing on? Lower back. I like it. I know Brianna, like it's great for her to do hands. I like it when you guys go into a push-up and use your chest. Because I just think it helps you push on. I'm like going to like put your hands on the ground. Yep, and then put your chest on her back. And you can push down like a push-up almost. Yes, I feel like you can apply more pressure when you do it. Will you do it once? Like this. You can push down and apply more pressure with your back. Otherwise, if you want to do hands, that's fine too. But push their lower back, so make sure you're getting lower back. Good. Can I pull you a little bit? Or are you like at your max right now? Okay, I'm just gonna give you a little bit. Make sure to breathe. Deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Every time you breathe out, try to push yourself a little bit farther. I'm gonna try to get these ankles all the way together. Can I give you a little tug? Breathe. Take deep breaths, deep breaths. Yep, breathing is important when we're stretching. I mean, breathing's important in general or you would die. So we gotta make sure we're breathing. Good. Don't hold your breath, especially when you're stretching further. I want you to keep breathing. Press the backs of your knees down into the ground. Good. Take one more deep breath in as you breathe out. Go as far as you can go. And switch partners. So now B, what I want you to work on, because you know how I'm always harping at you to get the backs of your knees straight. So if I can get down here with my bad things, I want you to keep working on pressing the backs of your knees to the floor. Yeah, I felt you even push that. You could even with her, because do you feel this stretch very much? Mm-hmm. You do?
No, not really.
Okay, so you could take your hands, don't grab her kneecaps, but above her knees, yep, and push down there lightly. And then help her get her backs of her knees into the ground, because that's where I think we need to work your flexibility, is just right there. Good. I like partner stretching personally, because isn't it kind of nice to just get to focus on breathing and have somebody else kind of giving you that extra push you need? I like it. And come out of it. Good. Okay, switch partners. Yep, you're going to feel those muscles, for sure you will. So remember, when we're doing our straddle, knees are pointing up towards the ceiling, yes? We're trying to get into our widest straddle, but keeping those knees up towards the ceiling. And I don't even care, you guys, I like you to point your feet when you're stretching, yes, but I also think there's those moments where it's okay to relax your muscles and try to go further, because sometimes I think you can go a little further. Sometimes I think you can go further when you let your muscles go. So do both, stretch with pointed feet, but then also stretch with relaxed legs too, okay? All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Remember this one, you can do what Alexa and LR are doing and push to help keep their knees rolling back. Gotcha. Okay, I want you to keep working on pushing those knees down right there. Yep.
And you can get a good, like, you can go into a squat while you're doing
I know.
it. They come up. Get good exercise.
Yep, so you just got to keep working that.
Get good.
Because you want to get to the point where when they come up, that you go like this way when you point, that then you push the backs into the ground and your heels would lift.
You can also have to your height too. That part comes up.
Like this. Yeah, so it's just working, but that hurts you in pike, doesn't it? It's the stretch, it hurts right there. So we just got to keep working that flexibility behind those knees. Try to not rest your elbows on the floor if you can. I would love it for you to reach those arms out straight. And take one more deep breath in, go as far as you can go. And come out of it.